Boroda! Good morning and welcome to class 1 day 19 of Ballet Cymru tutorials. Today we're going to do some jumps, medium Allegro. By now you should be nice and warm after having done the rest of our class, bar and center. You can find all of that in our social media platforms. Also, please make sure to read our disclaimer, which you can also find on all of our social media and our website. Today I'm going to do this exercise outside because my living room is a bit too small and I don't want to risk to break anything. So if you have a patio or a garden, maybe use that space. If not, just make sure that everything around you is clear and you're not going to hurt anyone. For your information, this is just outside my house and this is a private road, so I'm not breaking any quarantine rules. Also, I'm wearing my trainers today, which as you can see match my Ballet Cymru top, and I'm wearing them for the same reason Crystal said a few days ago on her video. So we'll start in a crochet position, left foot devant, and we'll do jeté, assemblé. Assemblé means to assemble, so we really want our feet to get together in the air before we land. Once we've done the assemblé, we'll have the left foot devant again, and we'll take 2 sissons to the side, à tomber, to défacer, couper, assemblé, relevé, and an entrechat. If you have trainers like me, be careful with your heels. Now we're ready to do the whole thing to the other side. So we go jeté, assemblé, sisson, sisson, tomber, couper, assemblé, relevé, and a cap. If you feel like it, you can do the whole thing by 2. And now let's start with music. Thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoyed, and if you took any videos or photos, please send them to us, and bye bye.